Did you know that over 70% of CCNP candidates fail their first attempt? Let's change that. In this video, you will learn how to effectively prepare for the CCNP exam in just 3 months, setting up you for success. If you are ready to tackle this challenge head on, stick around because I'm going to share some secrets to passing the CCNP.
If you enjoyed the content of the video, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.
So let's deep dive into the problem. Many aspiring network professionals struggle to find the right study methods and resources, and thus leading to frustration and ultimately failure. You might be feeling overwhelmed by the vast amount of information out there with so many topics to cover, from routing, switching to security. It's easy to lose your way. You're not alone in this. A lot of folks get stuck in a loop of reading textbooks or watching endless videos without a clear plan. They end up wasting time, energy, and when exam day rolls around, they are not prepared. Sounds familiar? But it doesn't have to be this way. Now let's explore a structured study plan that can help you conquer the CCNP in just 3 months. First things first, focus on the key topics. You'll want to break down the syllabus and tackle one subject at a time. Spend the first month deep diving into concepts like OSPF, EIGRP, and VLANs. Use resources like Cisco's official study guides or online resources with hands-on labs. It's not just about memorizing concepts. Hands-on practical is of course crucial. In the second month, shift your focus to more complex topics like network security and automation. This is where you learn to apply what you've studied. Use simulation tools like Cisco Packet Tracer, GNS, or EbenG to get that practical experience. And don't forget to revisit notes regularly. Of course, consistency is the key. During the last month, ramp up your practice with mock exams. This will help you get a feel of the real test environment. Review your weak spots and make sure to cover any gaps in your knowledge. Trust me, this structured approach will save you from the chaos and help you stay on track. The key to passing CCNP lies in understanding both theoretical concepts and practical applications. It's not just about what you know, but how you can apply it in the real world scenarios. You need to grasp the critical insights in troubleshooting and networking design. One of the best tips I can give you is to join study groups or forums where you can discuss these concepts with your peers. Sharing knowledge and experiences can lead to those light bulb aha moments. Remember, it's all about connecting these dots between the theory and practice. By following this roadmap and committing to a disciplined study routine, you can significantly improve your chances of passing the CCN exam for sure. It's all about consistency and using the right resources. Stay organized, stay focused, and keep pushing yourself. You've got this. Don't worry. If you found this information helpful, be sure to check out our other videos on networking and share your own study tips in the comments below. Let's build a very strong community of successful CCNP candidates together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Good luck, and I'll see you definitely in the next one.